Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be exploring 10 additional kitchen utensil vocabulary words that every beginner cook should know. Building your culinary vocabulary is essential for understanding recipes, following instructions, and becoming a confident cook. So, let's dive right in. First up, we have the ladle. Ladle. This deep-bowled spoon with a long handle is used for serving soups, stews, and sauces. A ladle allows you to portion out liquids smoothly and efficiently. Next, we have the peeler. Peeler. This tool is used for removing the skin or outer layer of fruits and vegetables with a peeler. You can easily and quickly peel potatoes, carrots, apples, and more. Moving on to the can opener. Can opener. This device is used to open cans of food, such as canned vegetables, fruits, or beans. A can opener is a must-have tool for any kitchen pantry. Now, let's talk about the rolling pin. Rolling pin. This cylindrical tool is used for flattening and shaping dough when making pastries, cookies, or pizza. A rolling pin helps you achieve the desired thickness and consistency in your baked goods. Next on the list is the sieve. Sieve. This meshed or perforated bowl-shaped utensil is used for straining liquids or sifting dry ingredients. A sieve is handy for removing lumps from flour, draining pasta, or separating solids from liquids. Moving forward, we have the basting brush. Basting brush. This brush is used for applying sauces, marinades, or glazes onto food while cooking. A basting brush helps to add flavor and moisture to your dishes. Now, let's focus on the masher. Masher. This tool is used for mashing or crushing cooked ingredients, such as potatoes or fruits. A masher is perfect for making creamy mashed potatoes or smooth guacamole. Another essential utensil is the grilling tongs. Grilling tongs. These long-handled, scissor-like tongs are used for flipping and turning food on the grill. Grilling tongs allow you to handle food safely and efficiently over open flames. Now, let's focus on the grater. Grater. This tool is used for shredding or grating ingredients like cheese, vegetables, or citrus zest. Having a grater in your kitchen will open up a whole new world of culinary possibilities. Lastly, let's talk about the strainer. Strainer. A strainer is a versatile tool used for separating solids from liquids or rinsing fruits and vegetables. It has a bowl shape with small holes and is useful for many cooking and preparation tasks. And there you have it, 10 additional kitchen utensil vocabulary words for beginners. Expand your culinary vocabulary to become familiar with various kitchen tools, enhancing your cooking skills. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more engaging content. May your English language learning journey be filled with success and progress as you watch our videos.